Hello, welcome to Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates. We're here for the 15th IRENA Assembly. I'm Kawa with Capital Radio, Sierra Leone. Over the last few days, challenges, recommendations and commitments have been made in Abu Dhabi.
Also, in 2023, we witnessed a record of 473 gigawatts of new renewable power capacity added. So this means that global renewable energy capacity still need to reach 11.2 terawatt by 2030.
With central focus on renewable energy, the 15th IRENA Assembly brought together delegates from various countries discussing the future of energy efficiency, affordability and sustainability, among other things.
We have done the reforms, we have the plans, we want to discuss specifics. We want to trade power. How could you help us trade power more? We have these projects, we want to generate more.
Global progress in meeting energy and climate goals are slowing in recent years. The Assembly focused on mobilizing resources and fostering international cooperation to ensure a sustainable and inclusive energy future.
The world around us is changing constantly and rapidly. And climate change is no longer a looming threat, but it's present and a pressing reality.
To facilitate efforts of the energy transition, a partnership to accelerate renewables was initially formed. The Accelerated Partnership on Renewables in Africa, APRA, now have 9 members, with Sierra Leone as a founding country.
So we are seeing that phenomenal growth happening. You saw what actually took place here. I mean, we saw many more donors wanting to be part of it. Japan is one of them. So I think what you are seeing is a new program for Africa that is actually growing in leaps and bounds.
As a new generation of decision makers, the youth were not left in this venture.
Sometimes as youth, what we really need is that validation of ideas to know that what we're doing is on track.
It represents me voicing out the challenges and the opportunities that the youth are currently facing.
While the 15th IRENA Assembly comes to an end, most countries in the world are striving for clean, affordable, efficient and sustainable energy future in tripling renewable energy capacity and doubling energy efficiency by 2030. For Capital Radio Sierra Leone, this is Kawa reporting from Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates.
Capital Radio. First with news, first with information and first with music.